sell clothes to the bin.
Why?
Because last Wednesday was my birthday and people gave me lots of new clothes.
And is this a reason to throw all these clothes here?
Yes.
Come with me. You can do something better. You can throw it to a recycling clothes bin.
It doesn't matter. It's another bin with another name. The garbage truck will take it too.
Of course, but if you put it here, the truck will take it to a recycling clothes plant.
And then are they going to make new clothes with mine?
Yes!
I don't believe you. Do you know any platform that do this?
Yes, near here in La Media. There's a store called Humana. The new clothes that they do, they sell it on the stores or they send it to Africa to give it to the poor people.
Now I'm going to do this always. And I'm going to explain it to more people. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, wait! Do you want to throw these with me?
Okay.